Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create a WhatsApp account. Whether you're new to the app or just need a refresher, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head over to your device's App Store or Play Store and install it for free. Once the app is open, you'll see a welcome screen with an option to proceed. Tap on Agree and Continue to accept the terms of service. Next, you'll need to select your country code. WhatsApp makes this easy by providing a drop-down menu where you can choose your country. After selecting the correct code, enter your phone number in the field provided. Double-check that the number is accurate before moving on. Once your number is entered, tap Next to confirm. A pop-up will appear asking you to verify that the number is correct. If everything looks good, tap OK. Now, WhatsApp will send a 6-digit verification code to the phone number you provided. When you receive the code via SMS, enter it into the app. If your phone supports automatic detection of messages, WhatsApp might fill in the code for you. Otherwise, simply open your Messages app, note down the code, and type it into WhatsApp. After verifying your phone number, you're almost done. You'll now be prompted to set up your profile. Enter your name and, if you'd like, add a profile picture. This step is optional, but helps personalize your account. And that's it. Your WhatsApp account is now ready to use. You can start messaging friends and family who are already on WhatsApp or invite others to join. Thanks for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance setting up their account. Enjoy using WhatsApp.